Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea, and today I've just come on to do show you how I put together an entry for a sketch challenge for Stamp with Joy on Facebook. They seem to have lots of challenges on there, and I thought I'm going to have a go because it was quite an interesting one. Not only was there a sketch, but also you could only use black and 3 other colours, which are all very similar. So it's Fresh Fig, Perfect Plum and Rich Raspberry. So I thought, oh, let me see what I can do. So I came up with this card, and these are all the components of it, and I'll talk you through these and I'll put it together. So I've started off with a basic black base, and this is quite oversized, so it's 7 inches, which is 17.8 centimetres across, and then it was 10 inches, which is 25.4 centimetres, and then I scored it at 5, that's 12.7 centimetres, and I don't know where my normal bone folder is, and I'm just going to burnish that there. Okay, then I got a Fresh Fig Fresh Florals piece of DSP, and what I did was I cut this mat, which is 6 3/4 inches, which is 15.2 centimetres this way, by 4 3/4 inches, which is 12.1 centimetres this way, and that's to go on there. And then remember the sketch, this is what the sketch was like. It had a long piece here, a bigger square piece, and then a sort of a perfect square piece, and then a piece going across, and then the sentiment there. So for this piece then, I'm using basic black. Oh, I picked up one of the rhinestones. Basic black, and this is 2 inches by 5 inches. And then on top of that, there's a layer of Whisper White. Now it said you can only use black and the 3 colours, but I have used Whisper White. And that's 1 7/8 by 4 7/8. And what I've done is I've used Rich Raspberry ink, and I've taken the tiny little heart stamp from here, Amazing Congratulations, and I've just stamped that all over that piece of Whisper White, and then I've added some black rhinestones, which are currently on the clearance rack at Stampin' Up for £1.80 I think, and I've added those into the corners. I might need to put a bit of glue on those. Then for the next layer, what I've done is I've taken a piece of Perfect Plum, which measures 3 by 4 inches, so that's 7.6 centimetres by 10.2 centimetres. Did I tell you what the measurements for these were? I did, didn't I? I hope so. So that's going to go on top. And then the other side of the Fresh Florals, and this measures just 1/8 of an inch, or 0.3 of a centimetre shorter on each side. And then to go across here, I've got a piece of Fresh Fig ribbon, and on that I've dotted black rhinestones. And then for the top piece, which is going to go over the top, oh, do you know what, I've put rhinestones on, it's going over the top. I've got a piece that's 3 by 3, so that's 7.6 by 7.6, and that's going to go there. And then I got a piece of Whisper White, which is 1/8 of an inch, so 0.3 of a centimetre smaller on each side. And I stamped that in Rich Raspberry, and I used the flower from Amazing You set. And what I did was, just to add this extra bit of detail, I just used an aqua blender, which these are fabulous, I use them all the time, just to pull in some of that colour, because it's water based. Once you add water, you can pull it around. Then I've just got a piece of basic black, which measures just over 1 inch by 2 1/4, so that's 2.5 by 5.7 centimetres. a piece of Perfect Plum, which measures 1 by 2, so 2.5 by 5 centimetres, and then a little piece of white, which measures just under 2 by just under 1.5, just under 1, and then onto that I stamped Celebrate again from the Amazing You set. Okay, and that's going to go down there. So what I'm going to do then is I'm just going to take some of these rhinestones. Should I take them off or should I put it over the whole thing? Or should I stick? No, I'm going to take them off because I want to stay true to the theme, to the sketch. I know some people sort of do their own interpretation of the sketch, which means they ignore the sketch. And they can look really nice, but I'm not brave enough to do that. I want to stay on the sketch. So if I put those there, that should be fine. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put that all together. Let's see how it turns out. I think this piece should have been further across. I think I'm going to do something else. I'm going to get this stamp. And get a piece of vellum. I'm going to get the rich raspberry. I'm going to add something. I'm going to get the pansy punch. Thanks for joining me, and if you want to go over to Stamping with Joy on Facebook, I'm sure you'll find it. It's Gaynor Boys who runs it. And send a request to join and join in the fun. It's really pretty. Thanks for joining me. See you soon.